Hi everyone and welcome back. There was a viral clip going around recently showing people blowing bubbles using melted Jolly Ranchers. A lot of big influencers tested this out, so I'm guessing that most of you guys already know that it works. However, I didn't see any videos go into detail about the exact method or trying it using other types of candy. So in this video, I'm going to show you my way of doing it along with some tips for safety and cleanup. We don't have Jolly Ranchers in Austria, so I'm going to use the equivalent of that. I'm pretty sure that any type of hard candy works for this. One thing I noticed in all the viral clips of this hack is that they melt the candies in a flat tray and dip the straw into it. This method seems a bit risky to me because it increases the chances of someone accidentally touching the boiling hot sugar. Also, if you have the candies on a baking sheet, then that could easily slide off. So for my version, I'm going to use a microwave-safe cup. I'm cutting down the sides so it's shallow enough to dip the straw inside, but still high enough to prevent the candy mixture from spilling. Then I'm placing 3 candies inside to get a nice deep pool of bubble mixture. Another thing that's never shown in these viral clips is the exact setting to use on your microwave. I started off with 30 seconds on low, but this didn't do anything at all. After a bit of experimenting, I found the best setting to use is medium-high for 60 seconds. This melted one side of the candies, which you can see here. Then repeat in 30-second increments until everything is liquid. It goes without saying that you need to be very careful not to touch or spill this mixture. This DIY should definitely not be done with young children around. The next part is your straw, and a metal one is obviously the best choice. This has a thin diameter, it's heat resistant and easy to clean up. Simply dip the straw in the liquid candy and blow. This makes a super satisfying noise and you get a string of bubbles. These bubbles are all made of sugar and they'll cool down instantly. These, of course, are perfectly fine to touch and they have a similar texture to cotton candy. They also taste absolutely delicious. I really love how this one turned out and it was a lot more satisfying than I expected. The cleaning up is also very easy to do since you can simply melt the sugar with warm water. For hardened areas like this, just leave the straws inside water overnight and it's going to dissolve on its own. I hope this hack was interesting and be sure to check out the other videos in this series. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!